সালামু আলাইকুম। হাসান নাসরুল্লাহকে কীভাবে মারছে এটা ডেমো আপনাদের কাছকে দেখাবো আমি। দেখেন একটা এই ডেমো এটা।
This is a multi-building site complete with an underground bunker where Hassan Nasrallah met with his top commanders. There are three possible scenarios we can consider what led to his elimination. The first scenario involves a tip-off allegedly provided by external spy agency giving precise coordinates for dropping multiple bunker buster bomb. The second scenario suggests the use of laser-guided target.
উনি বাংকারের ভিতরে ছিল, ঠিক আছে। চারটা বিল্ডিং আছে এখানে, ঠিক আছে। চারটা বিল্ডিংয়ের মাঝখানে এখানে বাংকার বানাইছে, ঠিক আছে। বাংকারের ভিতরে ওনাদের সব কার্যক্রম চালাইতো, ঠিক আছে। সো এটা হচ্ছে ইসরায়েলের গোয়েন্দা সংস্থা এটা নোটিশ করছে কোথায় আছে, কিভাবে আছে। হ্যাঁ, এই জিনিসটা নোটিশ করার পর অনেক দিন এটার উপর রিসার্চ করে এরা, এরপরে হামলা হয়েছে এর উপর। সো দেখেন,
targeting facilitated by Israeli Mossad agents. In the third scenario, 5 years of communication hacking was used to determine the exact date, allowing them to deploy around 80 different types of weapons on these two buildings complex. We'll also look into the engineering behind this bunker buster bomb, the GBU-39 glide weapon, and the Mark 82 used in this strike, all in the video ahead. This is Dahia, a neighborhood near Beirut, known for being a focal point during Israeli airstrikes. One of the key landmarks here is the Hezbollah headquarters. At first glance, it appears to be an ordinary 6-story residential building, complete with a solar-paneled roof. However, there's more to this structure than meets the eye. What makes this building particularly noteworthy is its underground basement, which is rumored to contain a network of tunnels. These tunnels are believed to serve as emergency escape routes, adding to the site's strategic importance.
ভিতরে আন্ডারগ্রাউন্ডের ভিতরে, হ্যাঁ, ওনারা বাংকার বানাইছে, ঠিক আছে। ওইখান থেকে হিজবুল্লাহ সব কার্যক্রম ওনারা চালাইতো, ঠিক আছে। কিন্তু এর ভিতরে আবার সুড়ঙ্গ আছে, ঠিক আছে। এর ভিতরে আবার এই বিল্ডিং থেকে ওই বিল্ডিংয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য নিচ দিয়ে সুড়ঙ্গ আছে এরা।
Let's take a look at scenario 1. Hassan Nasrallah, a high-value asset, has been in hiding for the last 4 years. The IDF was able to pinpoint the date, event, and location of a 6-storied multi-building complex where he was believed to be present. However, there were reports that an undercover agent, possibly Iranian, informed Israeli officials about Nasr Allah's arrival in a car. He reportedly arrived at Hezbollah's underground headquarters in the southern suburbs of Beirut for a meeting with several leaders. The tip-off was allegedly received by Israeli officials on the afternoon of Saturday, September 27th. A fighter jet was expected to target and illuminate the building using its laser targeting pod, focusing on one of the specific buildings. Subsequently, a dozen of F-15 jets dropped not one but 80 bombs of various types. The tip of the spear would have been the bunker buster bomb that can penetrate through this 6-story building, leveling all 6 structures to the ground and in the process eliminating the action. Let's consider scenario 2. If an Iranian spy had not IDF, a Mossad agent or soldier might have been nearby, confirming Nasrallah's location or possibly illuminating the target with a ground-based laser. In this case, GPS coordinates would have been transmitted to the IDF. Once ready, the F-15 jets would have dropped around 80 bombs of different types.
হিজবুল্লাহর যে অফিস আছে, ঠিক আছে, সবচাইতে বড় অফিস যেটা, ওইখানে আপনার ইসরায়েলের স্পাইও কাজ করতো, ঠিক আছে। ওইখানে একটা গুপ্তচর বলে, যেটাকে গুপ্তচর আছে ওরা, ওইটা দিয়ে হিজবুল্লাহ যত কার্যক্রম ওটা সবগুলো এরা ইসরায়েলে পৌঁছাইতে হয়, ঠিক আছে। 4 বছর ধরে এটা কাজ করতেছে এরা,
leveling the entire 6-building complex. Dropping so many bombs was to ensure the nation of a high-value target like Hassan Nasrallah. Unfortunately, the collateral damage resulted in a significant number of innocent civilian casualties, a tragic cost associated with this operation. And finally, we have scenario 3, which is the most likely. Hacking Hezbollah's communication system for the last 5 years to intercept encrypted messages without deploying any agents into Lebanon or Beirut.
হিজবুল্লাহর সব কিছু এরা গতিবিধি লক্ষণ করে দেখি 5 বছর ধরে ওদের যে আছে এটা হ্যাক করে রাখছে এরা।
Upon learning that the Hezbollah leader had arrived at the building, an F-15 fighter jets flew and dropped barrage of bombs, eliminating the entire leadership inside the underground bunker. Out of the 80 bombs used, the IDF also deployed the Mark 82 weapon, the Bunker Buster, and the GBU-39, which were part of a purchase valued at around $3 billion from the US. This is the Bunker Buster bomb. It has a laser sensor at the front, and just behind that are adjustable fins. In the midsection, there is a warhead that weighs approximately 650 pounds containing tritonal explosive. This is a mixture of 80% TNT and 20% aluminum powder. Finally, we have the retractable fins at the rear. To give you a better sense of its size, comparing it to a person can be helpful. The casing has a length of approximately 19 feet long, which translates to around 5 meters. This section has an artillery barrel, which is very strong, and has a diameter of 14.5 inches, which translates to around 37 centimeters, making it relatively narrow. They intentionally made the smaller sectional area. This means the bomb displaces less material, whether earth or concrete, as it penetrates of reinforced bunkers or buildings, to travel further to almost 100 meters. Let's see how this works. Step 1. The laser is used to illuminate the target or GPS already assigned to it. Step 2. Hana-15 jet flies near the illuminated target and then released. Step 3. Once the bomb is dropped, the system at the front connects and fin. This enables the bomb to make adjustments, guiding it accurately to its target. Step 4. As a Bunker Buster bomb can penetrate around 6 meters of reinforced concrete bunkers and can travel up 100 feet of soft ground or building. Step 5. The GBU-28 has been equipped with a fuse like this one, allowing it to detonate after penetrating its target rather than an impact. The bomb contains 700 TNT, which generates a blast of several hundred meters, quite significant for a bomb of this size. As an engineering channel, we will also look into how these Mark 80 and 82 series can be turned into a guided bomb. When released, it falls a normal dumb weapon. As stated, the bomb can be fitted with a nose fuse, a tail fuse, or both simultaneously. Upon hitting, the frontal fuse activates, burning the fuse front to the back, thus creating a huge explosion. The alternative option is using the tail fuse FMU-139. This is usually used for delayed action and is set by the pilot. When it hits the target, the weight of the bomb will penetrate the concrete surface of a building, the fuse activates, and the cloud, which creates the pound explosion after a few seconds as programmed. It's a lot of damage considering its small $1,000 tag. Let's delve into the process of turning this into a guided weapon. First, the transformation begins by removing the low drag tail, paving the installation of the guidance section. Within this new configuration, nestled inside the tail, we discover the intricacies of its guidance system. The inertial guidance kit collaborates seamlessly with a military-grade global unit, ensuring precise navigation toward the target. Alongside these, one can find the adapter ring facilitating the attachment of the antenna, crucial for transmitting, as well as the encryption key battery, sensitive information. Deeper into its structure, we encounter the batteries, vital for powering the system, and the composite, strategically positioned to aid in directing the missile towards its objective. These fins, meticulously controlled by gear, maneuver with precision, the commands to adjust the trajectory with accuracy. However, the evolution doesn't halt here. Be added with a lid in the front, its intelligence quotient to increase the range of the glide bomb range, or JDAM called it. The wing kit will triple the range of JDAM miles to 46 miles to around 75 kilometers. Let's take a look at step 1. Target coordinate aircraft before takeoff and manually altered by flight prior to weapon release. Step 2. When dropped to its internal guidance or in simpler terms, it uses military in its exact locations if needed, and other capabilities since GPS is not clouds, fog, or smoke, ensure it doesn't miss its target, provided if it's stationary. Step 3. Remember those internal batteries and control gears. The inertial guidance clock keeps track of its and controls the gears of the fins. So when it was off course, the fins at the back will reconfigure according to the GPS or inertial clock to maintain its course. But how does it turn when it does not have wings? Let's take this guy going skydiving for his vacation. Skydiving surface area of their arms, legs, and to change the orientation of their body in the air, just as shown in the animation. The point is, if a human using body surface, now having an aerodynamic weight weighs around 500 pounds falling gravity. A slight detail, considering the amount of air pressure direct to its designated target. Israel also bought around 5 units worth $3 billion GBU-39 glide weapons with an advanced